Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing 5 real online jobs that pay over $50 per hour, and you can start them from home with just a laptop or even a phone. Let's jump in. Most people think high income needs a degree or a corporate job. But today, you'll see how normal people are quietly earning $50 to $150+ per hour online, just by learning a single digital skill. AI automation setup businesses are losing time on repetitive work. Emails, bookings, forms, reminders. If you help them automate using ChatGPT, Zapier, or Make.com, they happily pay premium rates. Skill level: beginner friendly. Income: $50 to $120 tiered R.
UGC means user-generated content. Brands now prefer natural phone shot videos. No public followers needed.
Just create product demos, reviews, lifestyle clips for the brand's account. Pay $100 to $250 per video. 3 Notion System Builder, $115 $135. Entrepreneurs want ready-made dashboards, trackers, content planners. If you can organize systems inside Notion, you're valuable. Pay $50 $80 HR plus template sales. Number 4, freelance scriptwriter. YouTube, TikTok, Reels. Every video needs a script. Brands plus creators pay for hooks, storytelling, and structure. This is one of the easiest skills to start with help of AI tools. Pay $50 or $100 HR.
Businesses don't know how to use AI for marketing and growth. If you can plan their content workflow and brand voice with AI tools, you can charge premium consulting rates.
So these are 5 powerful high-income online jobs anyone can learn. No degree, no office, no experience required. Pick one skill. Practice. Get your first client. Increase price. Slow is smooth. Smooth becomes fast. If you want, I can also create a visually timed version with on-screen text and B-roll suggestions, so you can turn this into a ready-to-upload AI video.